Konnichiwa! Welcome to our video lesson for the second week of the fourth quarter. And our topic is application of triangle inequality theorems. Our objective for this week is to apply theorems on triangle inequalities to determine possible measures for the angles and sides of triangles. So technically, karugtong talaga siya nung ating first week. Ang kaibahan lang ngayon, i-a-apply na natin yung ating natutunan. So, it's application time. Okay? Ayan. So, we've already discussed exterior angle inequality theorem. Ito siya. Ngayon, ano yung mga possible problems na pwede nating ma-encounter na pwede nating gamitin tong theorem na ito? So, sabi dito sa problem, if the measure of angle B is equal to 54 degrees and the measure of angle C is equal to 68 degrees, then the measure of angle A is blank. Okay? So, here we have a figure of a triangle and may extension siya, no? Kaya naka-form tayo ng exterior angle. At yung exterior angle natin ay angle A. So, ang maganda dyan, every time na meron tayong given, let us try to label our triangle. Ayan, so ilagay natin. So, may measure na tayo ng angle B. So, lagay natin 54 degrees. At ang ating angle C naman daw ay 68 degrees. Okay? Now, we are looking for the measure of angle A. So, first, ano ba ang natutunan natin regarding sa exterior angle inequality theorem? Sabi sa theorem na to, the sum of the two remote interior angles is equal to the measure of the exterior angle. So again, sa ating figure, ang exterior angle natin is angle A. So, obvious yun, ano? Kasi yung angle A is outside our triangle. And then, yung remote interior angles natin are angle B and angle C. Sila kasi yung mga angles na hindi adjacent sa ating exterior angle. So, ang adjacent angle ng ating exterior angle is angle D. And the two remaining sides, yun yung ating remote angles, they are angle B and angle C. Okay? So, kung i-apply natin yung inequality theorem, we could say that the measure of angle A is greater than the measure of angle B. Diba? Tama naman po. Kitang-kita naman na kung ang angle A ay pinagsamang angle B at angle C. So, kung ikukumpara natin si angle A with angle B, mas malaki si angle A. Okay? Also, the measure of angle A is greater than the measure of angle C. Same reason. Diba po? Mas malaki ang sukat ni angle A compared to angle C. Now, itong mga sagot na to, since inequality nga ang ating pinag-usapan, these are already correct answers. Okay? Now, if nire-require tayo ibigay ang actual na sukat ni angle A, pwede rin natin siyang isolve. Opo, ayun na nga, meron na tayong formula. In order to solve for angle A, okay, we need to add the measurement of angle B and angle C. So, add lang natin 54 plus 68. Our answer will be 122 degrees. Okay, so the measure of angle A is 122 degrees. Ngayon, paano pag tinanong din, how about the measure of angle D? Okay, since we have a straight line, okay, so meron tayong linear pair. That means the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle D will give us 180 degrees. Since alam na natin ang measurement ni angle A, okay, we could use the formula. Ayan, alam natin 122 degrees siya. So let us use the formula 180 degrees minus 122 degrees, and that will give us 58 degrees. So 58 degrees, yun ang sukat ni angle D. Yan. So, ganun lang po siya, no? We could solve problems with regards to angle inequality by applying yung mga theorems na natutunan natin last week. Okay? Next, how about the triangle inequality theorem? Okay, here's an example problem. A triangle has two sides that are 6 centimeters and 15 centimeters in lengths, respectively. What is the possible length of the third side? Okay, so here is the triangle. Meron daw sukat yung dalawa. We have 6 centimeters yung isang side and the other side is 15 centimeters. Okay, eto po, si mahiwagang x. So, ano kaya yung mga possible na sukat nitong third side? Okay? So, i-apply natin si triangle inequality theorem. Sabi sa triangle inequality theorem, if we add two sides of a triangle, it should be greater than the third side. Okay? So, kung dito, 6 centimeters plus 15 centimeters, it should be greater than the third side, which is yung hindi natin alam na sukat, yung x. Okay? Represented by x. So, if we solve this, okay, 6 plus 15, we have 21 centimeters. Or pwede natin siyang ibaliktad, x should be less than 21 centimeters. Okay, it should not be 21 centimeters, less than. So, one possible answer is 20 centimeters. So, let's check. If we have 6, 15, and 20 as measurements, pwede ba tayo makagawa ng triangle? Well, check lang natin. Quick check. 6 plus 15, that's 21. 21 is greater than 20. Ayos. 6 plus 20 is 26. 26 is greater than 15. Ayos din. And then the last one, 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 is greater than 6. Therefore, tama po. Okay, using these measurements, makakabuo tayo ng isang triangle. Now, yung 21 centimeters, yun yung ating upper limit. Ano naman yung pinakamaliit na number na pwedeng maging possible length ni side x? Okay? Using yung triangle inequality theorem pa rin. So, x plus 6, pag inad natin yung two sides na yon, it should be greater than 15. Okay, let us solve. So, x should be greater than 9. O ma'am, saan nakuha yung 9? Ilipat lang natin yung 6. So, magiging negative siya. 15 minus 6 will give us 9 centimeters. Okay. So, ayun po. Dapat daw siya ay greater than 9. Okay? So, hindi siya pwedeng 9. Bakit kaya? Check natin kapag 9 siya, no? If x is 9 centimeters. Okay, 6 plus 15 is 21. 21 is greater than 9. Ayos. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 is greater than 6. Ayos pa din. But, 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is not greater than 15. It is equal to 15. So, hindi po. Okay, itong measurements na to will not form a triangle. Okay, so it should be greater than 9. So, 10 centimeters pwede. So, in summary, ang possible values na pwede for x should be greater than 9 and less than 21 centimeters. So, ayun po. Yun yung range ng possible values for x. Now, let's proceed to the Hinge Theorem. Okay? Natatandaan nyo pa ba? When we say Hinge Theorem, applicable siya if we have two triangles. Two triangles to, hindi lang isa. Wherein, meron silang two sides na congruent. So, dito sa given, kita naman natin, two sides sila pareho, 12 cm at yung 9 cm. Okay? And then, we focus on the included angle. Yung included angle, yung na-sandwich ng dalawang congruent sides. So, ang included angles natin ay yung 30 degrees at yung 35 degrees. Now, tignan naman natin yung opposite side nung included angles. So, ang opposite side ng 30 degrees is x minus 4. Ang opposite side naman ng 35 degrees ay 8 centimeters. Dahil mas malaki si 35 degrees. Okay, ganun din yung opposite side niya. Yung opposite side niya na 8 centimeters is greater than x minus 4 centimeters. Okay? Kasi, yung x minus 4 centimeters ay opposite nung smaller angle, which is 30 degrees. Okay, so paano natin susulat yun? Yan. So, yung x minus 4 centimeters daw is less than 8 centimeters. So, if we compute, no? Pag sinolve natin siya, lipat natin si negative 4, that will be 8 plus 4. Kaya x is less than 12 centimeters. Okay? So, how about the lower limit para sa value ng x? Ganun din po. Gamitin naman natin ulit yung triangle inequality theorem kanina. Okay? So, pag inad natin yung x minus 4 na side, saka yung 9 centimeter na side, it should be greater than the third side, which is 12 centimeters. Okay? Again, solve. Negative 4 plus 9 muna. That will give us positive 5. Then yung positive 5, ilipat natin sa other side. That will give us 12 minus 5. Okay? 12 minus 5 is 7. So, x should be greater than 7 centimeters. So, yun po. In summary, ang possible values ng x natin ay greater than 7 centimeters and less than 12 centimeters. Okay? So, another way of saying it is, nasa gitna siya. Yung value ng x should be between 7 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Okay? So, ayun po. Or some examples on how we could apply, no, sa mga problems yung ating mga natutunang theorems. If you need to review, okay, panoorin niyo lamang po yung ating mga previous videos. And for the actual learning tasks, na-share na po natin sa ating mga GCs ang ating mga video guides. So, stay tuned po. Next stop is our topics for the third week and the fourth week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.